Welcome to Get to Know the LAO, celebrating 50 incredible years of the Office of the Assembly. My name is Amanda Cupido. And typically in this seat, in a committee room like this one, you'd see a research officer.
A research officer here at the Legislative Assembly works in the Legislative Research Service, and what that person is responsible for is providing confidential and nonpartisan research and analysis of various provincial issues, as well as being assigned to and attending committee meetings.
This role is important, first of all, to provide objective, nonpartisan, factual-based information about public policy issues that are important for Ontario. Our members and committees use our research to prepare for any bills that they're considering or to support their constituents and to guide them. Basically, anything that is critical for Ontario.
Sometimes, we're consulting physical resources, which you see behind me, and really often we're reaching out to our colleagues in the library and asking them for their expertise and their input on, is there a digital source that you could send over to me that would be helpful? Do you have a textbook? Do you have, old records or old documents of historical proceedings that we might need for a question? And that's generally where we're looking for our information.
Our research requests varies. There might be like a short memo, 2-page memo to like a 10 to 15-page big project. And it could be about anything and everything that is about Ontario and Ontario's public policy issues. This could be tire recycling in Ontario, or it could be intimate partner violence.
A research officer is assigned to each committee. So what that means is if you come in and you're sitting in the audience of a committee that's ongoing, you'll see the chair of the committee, you'll see the clerk, and next to the clerk, you'll see a research officer sort of observing the proceedings, taking notes. And what we're doing is either taking notes for the purpose of drafting up a report that's going to go to the members of that committee, summarizing sort of the evidence that they heard, questions that were outstanding. We provide sort of a very general record of everything that happened that day. And so I think it's important for members when they go back and they're considering what they heard that day and the kind of representation that they want to provide to their constituents in regards to what they heard, they have a clear record that comes from a research officer.
It's always exciting and interesting because we're deadline driven. We move from one project to another and it's always different.
I was really blown away by my colleagues and the sort of breadth and depth of experience that they have in different fields. Getting to work with them every day has been a really excellent experience.
The research officer is just one of many roles that helps this building run. For more information about the LAO, visit our website. For the Legislative Assembly of Ontario, I'm Amanda Cupido.